Hello, and welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive, your ultimate destination for enriching your vocabulary and exploring the depths of the English language. Today, we're diving into the word indictment. So, what does indictment mean in English? At its core, indictment refers to a formal accusation that someone has committed a serious crime. It's a term commonly used in legal contexts. According to dictionaries, an indictment is a formal charge or accusation of a serious crime. But there's more to indictment than just its definition. Let's explore a range of synonyms that can help you better understand and use this word. Some synonyms include charge, accusation, allegation, and arraignment. For instance, charge and accusation are commonly used in everyday language, while arraignment is more specific to legal proceedings. Each synonym offers a slightly different nuance, helping you to express yourself more precisely. That wraps up our exploration of indictment. Remember, expanding your vocabulary not only enhances your communication skills but also broadens your understanding of the world. Stay tuned for more linguistic insights here on Thesaurus Thrive.